Hey guys, Ethan here from Kixx, and today we're going to be cleaning a pair of Nike white Air Force Ones. We're going to be cleaning them with the Jason Markk Essentials kit, and we're going to be, while we're cleaning them, we're going to be comparing the solution with the quick wipes. For this video today is the Jason Markk solution, the quick wipes, a microfiber towel, a premium brush, and a bowl of water. Now we're going to put the shoe trees in and get ready for cleaning. So we're going to start off for the first shoe is with the quick wipes, and then we'll compare it. Then after that we'll do the solution. So just going to put these away. This has the customizable swoosh, these ones. So let's get to it. So the wipe did pretty good. I mean, I think it's not going to be as good as the solution. It's definitely still got quite a bit of dirt on the shoe. It's good for like if you're just trying to get like a little bit of dirt off, not a lot. If you don't want it to look really white, you can. Okay, so now we're going to add the solution and then start cleaning the shoes. Okay, so now I have both shoes here, and this is the solution. This is the quick wipe, and if you want a more white finish, the solution is definitely a better choice, but the quick wipe's a good like on the go wipe down for your shoe. So now I'm just gonna do the laces here. Really easy on how to do them. You can just grab your bowl of water. So it already has some solution in it. It's easy to clean. You just grab your laces, you put them inside of the bowl of water, and you kind of just swish them around. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you
Okay, do it again. Ready, go.
Wait. Lace is in the wrong position. Is it still playing?
Yeah, it's okay. Just record.
Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. If you liked, it'd mean a lot if you'd subscribe, and see you next time.